Well, more changes this weekend for Martin County beaches effective immediately. Beaches are no longer open to everyone. They will be open only to Martin County residents.
Well, let me ask you this. Is this Nazi Germany now? I have to show my papers?
They are warning people that deputies will be out here checking IDs to make sure the only people out here actually live in Martin County.
What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and sorry if there's a lot of wind, it's not my fault. We're gonna try to block it a little bit, so if you can still see me and hear me, that's great. But anyway, I'm here in Jensen Beach. There's a checkpoint where you need to have papers to go to the beach. You need to have your papers, you need to have your license or something proving that you live in Martin County to go to the beach today. So we're gonna go out there. We're going to go ask these guys if they understand the oath that they took. If you can see that, we've got the Pocket Constitution, CB. CB is the one that gave me this, but we're going to see if they honor their oath and why they're out here, because today they shouldn't even be out here. Right now they've been told to basically enforce an unconstitutional law that has been passed down from the county commissioners here in Martin County. I don't agree with Martin County commissioners. I don't agree with what they're out here doing. So we're going to go out here and try to figure out if they will honor their oath, and if they say they do, why they're here. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And I'm going to get out of here. Let's get to this. Soliaker, deuces. And if you can see right here, this is actually a turnaround point to go up here. You're going to see all these cones. I'm going to talk as loud as I can for you. But they have to come off this roundabout, come down, make a U-turn just to enter this park. And then you got a bunch of officers up here. They're, checking IDs, all that stuff, making sure that your papers are in okay order and you're allowed to be on the beach. I thought we lived in America.
This is for what? Arresting me for what? I'm not allowed to stand up for myself? I thought this was America. Huh? Isn't this America? I'm sorry, I thought this was America.
We don't live in friggin' Nazi Germany. This is a bunch of bullshit. Obviously, they've blocked off the turn lane that would make you enter into this nice empty parking lot. And if you can see, the beaches here are open, but the beaches are only for Martin County residents only. Which makes absolutely no sense, because everywhere else in the country right now, or everywhere else in Florida other than Palm Beach, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Monroe, those are the 4 counties that are still under this state of emergency thing. Everywhere else in the state has been open, but this county decided to do some unconstitutional crap, and we're going to call them out on it. That's what we're about to do. Alright, we got one going in through the checkpoint. They got to get their IDs and all that stuff. Oh. Let me see your ID. Let me see it. I need your ID. I need your ID. Give me your ID. You can't go here unless I see your ID. Yeah. You guys have to have ID. If you're not from here, you can't go here. If you're not from the county, you can't be here. So you have to go further north. Sorry, you're not special enough. What's up? What's up? How we doing? How we doing? Doing good? Doing good? Wonderful. Oh, how you doing, officer? Good. Officer Glass? I got a question for you.
Sure.
Did you swear and affirm an oath to the Constitution?
Yes.
And then my second question would be, what are we doing here?
We're limiting people from coming in if you're not a resident.
Right. I get limiting, but what are you doing right here? As they pull in, what are we doing?
We're checking IDs to make sure you're a resident.
Okay, perfect. You answered that question. That's against the Constitution. That's actually Title 18, U.S. Code 242, Deprivation of Rights, the Fourth Amendment. And I don't know, I want to have all the respect for everybody in this trying time. But, you know, I mean, you took an oath, man, and you're supposed to uphold that Constitution. And if you got, like for me, I would be going and arresting the county commissioners for putting you in that position that you have to be out here to enforce an unconstitutional law. You know, I know they're just the workers, but you know you're here helping along.
I understand. And if you have any issues, sir, you're more than welcome to go address it and make a complaint.
Oh, I am. Believe it, because this is once again, the people are tired of it, and you know, like, you know, I'm not saying anything negative, but I am saying when the people rise up, what side are we going to be on? Are we going to be with the people, or are you going to be with the government?
Well, hopefully, this doesn't happen for too much longer.
Yeah, I know. I get it, but, you know, the way things are going, it's just the way it is, and, you know, I don't agree with any of this. Like, I mean, I get trying to, but that's not, even Warren versus District of Columbia. The police have no obligation to protect the public. It's a Supreme Court case. The same thing with our public officials. They have no right to try to say what I can and can't do. Their job is to inform us, saying, hey, it's dangerous to do this.
So let me ask you this, are you a Morgan County resident?
Yes, I am.
Doesn't apply to you.
It does. It applies to my constitutional rights and other people's. Let's say I bring my friend from St. Lucie County. Is he going to be able to come out here to the beach?
Well, let me ask. If we have someone from St. Lucie County riding with a Morgan County resident, is that okay?
We're only checking one ID per vehicle.
Just one ID? Which one? Because
if you're a Martin County resident, and you are, and you bring your friend with you, you're a county resident. I can't keep you from coming to this beach.
Okay. So you're saying that all I have to do is have somebody from Martin County to come to these Martin County beaches?
We're just checking one per vehicle.
Okay, so long as I have one person from Martin County, I'm good to come here and because like I'm literally gonna let a lot of people know on YouTube. Like 25,000 people are gonna watch this and try to understand why this is happening. I don't agree with it. I'm going to the county's commissioners meeting to express my discern for this, because once again, they took an oath, just like this gentleman. I don't know about if you took an oath. I'm not sure where you're at, but I know this gentleman did. I know that the county commissioners, they all put their hand on, maybe they put their hand on a Bible, but they raised the right hand saying, I swear or affirm that I will uphold and defend the Constitution, and this is unconstitutional in every way, shape, and form. It doesn't matter if I'm from Martin County or from friggin' Indiana. You know, and that's the issue that we're dealing with.
All right, sir. Well, what you gotta do?
No, I just wanted to come and check to see what's going on. I appreciate it, and you know, I just hope that things do get back, and just remember, honor your oath, because you know, at the end of the day, you still have to, you know, you have to be like, you know, did I do the right thing today? And I don't agree that you're doing the right thing, but that's up to you. You have to make that decision. So, have a great day. Honor your oath. Yeah, that's a bunch of shit. Yeah, dodging that one, man. You know, they don't want to answer it because he knew. He either had that look like he knew he was wrong or something. But we're gonna get through this. There's a bunch of places. I've got a couple more to go to, and we're gonna question them. We're gonna question every single one of these guys and girls. It's not about women, it's not about men, it's about you honoring your oath. And if you can't honor the oath that you took, then, you know, these officers, they don't have to agree with this. They don't have to be out here. They don't have to do any of this. If anything, me personally, I'd go arrest the commissioners for putting them in this position. So we're gonna get out of here. Like I said, I gotta walk back to the car, and we're gonna be off to the next spot. So stay tuned. We're gonna go live at the next spot.